Hey Emmett, so this video is in response to your email message. So as we think about images and B-roll footage, we want to keep in mind that those visuals are there to show ideas that are in your research essay, to illustrate points that your interviewee is making. And of course, the documentary is a highly visual genre, so this is something you do need to spend some time with. I'm a really big fan of the site Unsplash, unsplash.com. And here, let me just try a search for physical therapy. And there are some images that come up. I've never had physical therapy, so I don't know a lot about it. Some of these pictures seem almost massage-like to me, but maybe not. So this is one option. These are all very easy just to download and then also to cite. You see here, this is all that you have to do in order to cite the image. So that's one option. Now at doc.appstate.edu, which is the homepage for documentary film services, there is an entire tab. Oh, there's that picture that I downloaded. Just get rid of that. So there's an entire tab for free sounds, music, and images. And so you might want to just start going through all of your options here. Again, you might try physical therapy. That may be somewhat limited. I don't know. So as we just look, I mean, it does seem like there is some stuff here. But I suppose we could look up other words that are related to physical therapy, even if we just did like a doctor's office to sort of, set the stage, maybe something like that. You also could search for physical therapy through your search engine and look for videos. And maybe, let's see, we could also go to settings, no tools, and like focus in on very short videos that we might be able to take some images from just to even explain what physical therapy is. Let's just try physical therapy. Insurance, caps, insurance. Let's just do insurance. Physical therapy, insurance, images, physical therapy, insurance, images, physical therapy, insurance, statistics. And there might be something here that reflects some of what you learned through your research or through talking with your interviewee. Physical therapy, insurance, infographic. Yeah, so again, there might be something here that illustrates the points that are in your research essay. The other option that you have is to go to our library, and I'm not sure that the chat is available right now, but I'll click anyway and just see. Yeah, this isn't the chat that I really want. So I can't show you exactly at the moment what I'm hoping for, but if this were available, then even here I could reach out to a librarian and ask for help searching for images that are related to a research topic. So hopefully this answers your question a little bit. maybe let me know if it's helpful.